love her and feeling alright. That's the mega deal.
Papa, let me go. Papa, Papa, let me go, please. Can I go? I don't like it. Let me go.
Who can guess why? LiQWYD is clear for me when I find myself in thee, and I come on the line to complain, to complain, to complain, to complain. Life is a game, it's a game. No pain, no gain. Who no can hear me? Well, me, I hear me. LiQWYD. Who no can hear me? Play for queen when I find myself indeed. So I come on the line to complain, 'cause this cannot really be. I wake up this morning from around 7. Yeah, your friends love me, no man. Wanna leave me alone and let me take out my problem, partner, please and thanks. And alive, me need some help. Me need some help. Me need some help. I wake up this morning. I came in this morning 4 o'clock because I went out last night and I do what I do, meet and greet. Thanks for the pretty teeth compliment and a pretty teeth time now. And I have to take bad things with laugh so my bumper pussy blood clap. Me shit in some church and don't know. But back to the reason. You look good, you? Wait a... Oh, family, you know. Loved ones. Anyway. So, my car brought down from last week Saturday. I'm going to speak from this now. Since I was in my day, I itch. Yeah, like this summer, please. So, I paid the man for fix the car last week Saturday. And by the time I drive the car, come right out this Sunday morning, the car sicker. The sicker the car. No, man, this... we don't know. We have to share this. The sicker the car gets sicker from last... Do your ears. Wanna leave my ears and give me ears a little bring in, man. Jesus. Wanna done now, man. Yeah. Oh, let me go downstairs. No, me not move. Calm down, Queenie. Calm down. Right, crazy. Good evening. Let me start over fresh. So my car is sick. And last week Saturday the man come bring it back. So the man bring back the car, fix the car and bring back the car. My car, drive the car, go for run an hour and then come park it, and from I park the car gets sicker. So I don't move the car because the car get worse. So the car that from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the man come for car Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday today I get the car come for. But remember, I forgot 4 hours from yesterday to 5 hours oh, we can't even talk. Oh! I don't want to pull up my makeup and my ear nice, see? Queenie, calm down. Which is Manchester. Yes. You know we can't done right. Escada! Call yes. Yeah. So, thank you, baby. I wish I want to reach. This, we never see this. Yeah. I want to reach again. I don't remember, I know. So the car sick. Oh, so the man come pick up the car today. So true, me know the car still sick out there this morning from 6, 7 o'clock. I don't remember what time. I call around 30 different people. You know, nobody will car hire a car. You can't rent one car for me. You can't lend me one car. You can't drop me. I've been searching for car. Now somebody said them get a zip car now. Look what zip done to me. Riley, yes, no go on. Ace! Love you. Stop it now, baby. Thank you. Good. Love you, Riley. Calm down again, Queenie. Yeah. So the zip, calm down, Queenie. The zip, we have to take bad things a bit laugh. No, I better have a talk out loud more than I sit down in here and silent. But after I look so good, I said, no, I go up on live, go complain for that. Anyway, so the zip car people, them say, 5 o'clock. When we reach 5 o'clock, well, I know me, but whosoever rent the zip car go 5. Them say 6, so no go 6. The car, the whole of the bump off. Make your bumper. Why? No, somebody. It does. You not hear me now? Remember, you know, I work, mega work, you know, I'm willing. Look how pretty for God and Richie. And this is called double Bumper clot. Right now, we have no care. Why? Jesus Christ, God. Don't love Queenie one more time. So we can't go suffer real. So anyway, so when you go on the bumper pop off, we're pretty for truth. So hear me, you know that's how I go now. Do it, please do it, don't do me that time at my ball. Do it, me with to my husband, do it. I promise to love you for the rest of my life, Dewey. You know I'm your wife. And life cuts like a knife. You weren't paying me any mind. So I went on the live. And now you're telling me to get off. Do it, behave not coming off. Do me, I get one car up on the live. I can't eat that. Which are the do it, stop the do it, man. So I never seen this in my life. So Aisha, everybody will give me a link try and the link just done mink. Fuck. Me don't want no mink. Me don't want no mink in the winter. In the summer, fuck that. All I link there will get the zip link slide down. You ever get a party to have a zip plastic dress or any zip dress and it slide on? Well, I got the zip card. I got the zip card. I can't believe it. Man, when they drunk a shit from me recently. Why? Me still look good. Move on the blood. Watch it. Why? Hear me a while I got ready. I'm so ready. Them can't tell me nothing. You know what? When I get the car, through my ear looks so good. Why? Father God. Hey, but don't want nobody promise me nothing, you know. I'm tell you that it. But don't want nobody serve for me, promise me, invite me, and try out nothing, and then the link turn mink. Fuck that. You can't let me work. We bring it back early morning. Any damage, I'll pay. But right now, money can't buy. Money can't buy. I forget what taxi guy Manchester. Oh God, I can't let more. And look how I look good for truth. No, this is amazing. 1 week after, today I mean I better than do me here, and the man called me and said, I come to this car. Yeah, me now, watch out. Me don't get one car for later already. My business is the whole car. Why? I defense said two trouble better than one. I really double trouble. You remember when Knox had to keep the boat ride on the Instagram boat ride? You did go? Never go. Me said the amount of banger wrong. Who remember Knox had boat ride? But me something them now. Me not see me something them. So what me go my why? Me need two donkey. Me never see this in my life to pussy clot. No man, all I want to carry them on. I don't know if it's Father's Day this weekend. You may let them at me smoke out the car deal. I never see this to zip it up, man. But that's a big queen. What? No, I love Queenie though. I don't care. Look how me look good. Unless it's I put out effort. My hairstyle I do cock up is a 10. It a do boom flick. It a do summer sauce. It a do 2 tens is what? Other one I go again?
2 times is a touch.
2 tens is a tip. Tip. Tip by your toe, girl. Tip by your toe. Tip. But now go down low, cause you not reach down. So you have to get the donkey cat we go. You have to get the donkey cat we go. You have to get no, me need to. Why? But I do have a racial answer. Carry your car and get funeral now. Jesus Christ. No, sir. Talk to somebody and make them lend me one car. Rent me one car. I've got my cash, you know. I've got my little peas. You get me, fam? I don't want to go and represent for Richie and the girl in my wait for me down there as well. I want a car sent for one car from Manchester. That's I take forever. England, London link more. I look good though. All we are going to hairstyle, but I come live. We look good. Why? We love Queenie. No, man, I didn't see here good. Jeez, watch blending one degga data. She's nice, see? And she don't have no car. Forgot. I went to Royal Rental them with their Jamaica. Someone WhatsApp me I drive from the Royal. Where's Yvette? No, Queenie, you look good now, bumble. What's that, man? Selfie. Somebody screenshot me. When they see my picture? Jesus Christ. Anyway, by now, that me not tell her now. And have anything what you want to tell me? I don't ask no comment. I myself when I talk to. I can't say a thing, comment them stuck. From somebody say, Nashwa, Nash. I Nash that? No. Russian 55. And that me say, Allah, me I tell it a move, me say, make your bumper roll. Anyway, right, crazy. It was nice talking to them. And I forgot to start about my life. So if I don't get in a car, send one little bird come tell me, yeah? Yeah, man, rent my little car in a night time. Do while you on my life. Hello, husband. Good wife. Jesus Christ, what nice. No, I look good. I first look good, sir. That is for me to know and you to find out. Oh, no, nice. I'm going to look, me nice. Debbie here and beauty. Debbie, do your face. Me tell you, said Debbie turn up in this like, you ever see when the jackass can them stand up in the back in Jamaica? Who know jackass can? Them tough something. Who this remember me? Hello? No. Them sign car some airport something. One little polite something them tell me. All of them something they give me menopause and make me sweat. I try all of them and them never work. Alright, hear what them say and tell me back, yeah? My beautiful, alive. Alright, baby, thank you. Sort it out. So the current situation is I've got a 4-hour drive or maybe 5, depends on the traffic, to go and interact with my royal crazies for Richie's birthday in Manchester, UK. Allegedly, and that's the word Mr. Them I use today on the YouTube. No, Queenie. But see them look good here. Fuck her, no. Tell me say them yellow no, no. And I sit and pray for them get you know. Yes. My smoke is my teeth them, yeah? Manchester. Look, Manchester no can't send for me. I'm stuck in London, fam. I show us some my queen. I show us some I do a one diggy wife. One, me look good at G. All I'm going to some self-sweep right now. I fret about the car in my mind, but I'm not tell you though.
So Queenie, just grab your thing and put them by your head and walk.
Listen, if zip never tell me say them I go zip it up, but I start work from better than me ear. But you put on a face. But that me not say to you before I go live. Me not say to you say, if me didn't know say the zip I go do me that. But I start my country girl, you know, me very determined. Not stop me. If I ever forget to get some buckle stopper and bore some wheel in it, some hole in it, and get one orange box and turn one chuck. Fuck, you see where I push that. Down the M1 to Bumbo Cla Ilan Gully ride. Rock the boat, come rock the boat, Queenie, rock the boat. No man, I can't look so good and they are so stuck. Anyway, right crazy. I'm not going now. I'm not take up my time. Bye now. I look here. How would them so worthless? Like your mama pussy tongue. Your mother pussy tongue is so fucking worthless. When she met your dad, she was a whore. If your mom wasn't a whore, she wouldn't have you to come on my fucking television to tell me that I'm worthless. You're a worthless piece of... I know. Alright, I'm sure I'm crazy. I'm gonna look here. Laters. My ear nice. Alright, me keeping it posted. Me, if I ever for walk on my flat nose, me Queenie after reach by the grace of God. Me look good in a bumper clock. God goodie. What a nice, lovely lady. Nice girl, Queenie. And I must go do no teeth, man. And I just get away with the other yam. Save some of the money and go and do your teeth. It worth it, okay? Smile a while and laugh off the queen. She loved the car to take her on the scene. Oi! Somebody call me. Somebody! Oh. Anyway, you look... Oh, wait, that's pretty compliment, my girl. You're looking pretty today. Thank you. Pretty woman. Me not have no right, pretty woman. Me I look alright. Alright, don't go on now. Later, me I look here. Bye now, laters.